Hi, welcome to the UCF School of Visual Arts and Design. I'm Shannon Lindsey, Associate Lecturer and UCF Art Gallery Director. I'm excited to introduce to you SVAD, and where we offer visual arts and design and emerging media, where we combine creativity and professional development. This is the hub for the School of Visual Arts and Design on main campus, where we combine innovation and collaboration and exploration in our courses. Welcome to the Foundation Design and Ad Lab Studio. There's a lot of really exciting things that happen in this space. The students get the opportunity to use a variety of processes and tools to create individual projects as well as collaborative projects, including large-scale sculptures that are seen at the UCF Celebrates the Arts downtown. Another class that happens in this room is Ad Lab, which is an exciting course where students get to collaborate on group projects based on real-world assignments, where they get to create proposals for public art projects and immersive experiences. They get to use laser cutters. They also take their experience and subscription for Adobe Creative Cloud and take digital processes and apply them into physical forms. All right, as we press on with our tour here in the Visual Arts building, we are now in the Book Arts and Printmaking Studio. This is a wonderful space that allows students to explore printmaking processes, including etching and screen printing, as well as book arts, where they get to learn how to create hand-bound books, including making their own paper. This is an exciting space with presses and electrolysis processes, and we're excited for you to explore all of the options in this room. Here in the photography studio, students get to explore a variety of equipment and processes, including a professional lighting studio. In a digital lab, where students get to use the equipment to do digital editing and also printing, including large format printing. And students have access to a very special place, a fully equipped darkroom for film processing. So students have access to both digital and traditional processes. Students can focus on photography through undergraduate and graduate programs. Here in the Digital Design Lab, the students in the Emerging Media BFA, Illustration, and Immersive Experience Design get access to professional standard tools like IMAX and Cintiq, as well as software like Adobe Creative Cloud and Maya to bring their vision to life. We offer a variety of art history courses that span throughout history and contemporary times, including art in the last 25 years, the art of Walt Disney, as well as VITAS, a museum studies art history course. And the art history majors get the opportunity to present their findings and their research in their final semester at the Art History Symposium. Here at the woodshop, the students in the School of Visual Arts and Design get the opportunity to use a variety of hand tools and power tools to create anything from frames to large-scale sculptures. Students are required to go through a series of hands-on training and online safety courses in order to use the tools in the shop. Here in the ceramic studio, students get to use a variety of processes through ceramics. They get to experience doing hand building as well as throwing on the wheel, and they get to learn how to develop different glazes and finishes as well as firings. The students also sell their work each semester at the pottery sale to the public, making it the best place to get a unique piece of art. The Sculpture Studio offers students several hands-on experiences, including using wood, clay, metal, and mixed media to create traditional and experimental sculptures. Let's head upstairs to see some more studios. Our drawing studios offer courses in foundational and upper level drawing. The foundation level courses develop skills in observational drawing from still lives and live models. All of the skills gained are applied in all upper level courses and degree tracks. The painting studios allow students to paint from observation as well as from imagination. They work as a group to give each other feedback through critique processes. If you are a BFA majoring in painting, you also get your own individual studio space in this room. It's really rare for an undergraduate student to have their own individual studio space. Having that space to yourself allows you to use a variety of materials that you might not be able to use at home, also work on a scale that you may not have access to otherwise, to really immerse yourself in the creative process. The second floor animation lab supports undergraduate courses where students use professional standard equipment and software to create individual projects as well as work on collaborative projects. In addition to supporting courses, they also get access to lab time where they can come in and work on their projects on their own time. The 2D Design Studio supports students in their foundational courses where they learn about the basic elements and principles of visual arts language as well as color theory through several different mediums and processes of two-dimensional works. The Graphic Design Studio supports students at a foundational level, learning typography and hierarchy, all the way through their advanced courses where they're working on product design and UI/UX design. The studio offers several resources and tools, including large format printers, scanners, and risograph. Our illustration courses support traditional and digital processes to explore visual storytelling, book cover design, and comic development. The animation studios support students in exploring unique mediums, including 3D printing and stop motion animation. Visual Arts Management track gives students the opportunity to develop an understanding of the management aspects of the visual arts. Students take courses in studio art, art history and theory, business, and communication. Several of our programs also hold courses just outside main campus in Research Park. Undergraduate character animation and graduate animation and visual effects students work in specialized spaces in OTC 500. Here, they gain hands-on experience with high-level production tools and industry-standard workflows. Graduate studio art and design students have 24-hour access to private studios in OTC 650, giving them vital space to develop their creative research. SVAD is also home to UCF's architecture program, where students design the future of the built environment through the innovative 2+2+2 pathway, where students earn their associate's degree from Valencia College, bachelor's degree from UCF, and master's degree from the University of Florida. We're wrapping up our tour here at the UCF Art Gallery, located in the Visual Arts Building on main campus. We showcase multiple exhibitions and programs each semester that highlights our students, our faculty, and professional artists from outside the area. It's an opportunity for our university community and our local community to come together, to connect, and get inspired. Thank you for joining me for the tour today. We look forward to seeing you at the School of Visual Arts and Design very soon.